Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to set Do Not Disturb mode on the Asana app. This feature is perfect for pausing notifications and focusing on your tasks without interruptions. First, open the Asana app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Next, scroll down until you see the Do Not Disturb option and tap on it. Then, you can choose how long you want to pause notifications, such as 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even longer periods depending on your needs. You can set a schedule to automatically enable Do Not Disturb on specific days. Turn on the schedule option and pick the days you want it to be active. Finally, make sure to click Save at the top right to apply all your settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.